Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I'm here once again in Pennsylvania. I'm actually going to be showing you off the abandoned prison maintenance building. Now originally I wasn't going to make a video of this place, but it's way too weird not to. So first of all, we have the entrance here. This place was built in 1940. So this would be the original entrance, and then this part was obviously added on later. Now we have the nice stone arch that is kind of ruined by the metal door here. Now we're gonna go upstairs first because it's less weird than the downstairs. But still, I do find it weird. You immediately enter this building from ground level. Your only two options are up or down. There's no like level option. So we're gonna head upstairs real quick. You can see we have a nice long hallway here with benches for people to sit down. And here we have a lot of filing cabinets and stuff in storage. Old radiator, some maintenance equipment. Now, interesting thing is the prison actually puts these here so that if something is missing, they know what is missing and which one it exactly is. Now, as we go in here, kind of just have a room with more equipment storage. You can see this area used to be locked out. And then a giant mirror at the end, which is pretty cool. And this is an unauthorized area, kind of an interesting term. So we head down back the hallway a bit. We do have this room, which again is currently just storage. I absolutely adore this little table right here. And we have all of these. See, they're red dust covers for smoke detectors. Just a ton of them sitting here. Then we go in here, we have some more equipment, storage shelves, and a little lockout equipment area. Now, as we go back down the hallway, you can see that at one point, there was a window here, there was a door here, another door here, a window up there, that were covered up for some unknown reason. Now we have this room that I really like, because you know the bottom half is green, it's supposed to be the ground, and the top is blue, and it has clouds painted on it. And it's obviously not in the best condition anymore, but it's still just great to look at. And then in here we have a ton of gardening tools, and we also have some more traditional tools. Like that looks like a drill, chain for whatever you need that for. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea what number 11 is. If you do know what that is, comment, because I would be interested in knowing what that is. Wrenches, screwdrivers. You have this part that's not painted, which makes me wonder if it's supposed to be like the sun or something. So, and something about the peeling paint just really adds to this room for me. So we're just gonna take another look real quick just because it's so cool. Now again, this is the little lockout area we came out of earlier. I'm guessing that there was a water fountain here at some point. Then here we have the men's toilet area. There's actually still soap in this dispenser, which is kind of insane. And there's actually a shower and a bathtub here. It's kind of weird because this is just the maintenance building. Then we have the inmate prison bathroom. So there's a deep sink back here. Imagine the toilet would have been right there. I know you guys couldn't really see that. And it says closed door when in use, only one inmate at a time. Then we have the safety room. And let me turn on my flashlight real quick just to give you guys a sense of what it looks like. So, it's talking all about lockout safety procedures. This is actually really cool. I didn't notice this. Like plastic rods. That's pretty cool. Now then we have this room that is locked off and we can't get into, but hopefully you guys can see. I know there's a lot of light coming from the background. There's just tons of binders filled with paper, probably records everywhere. And it's really cool looking. Now, like I said, the first floor, pretty normal. As we go down to the bottom floor, where things get kind of crazy, kind of weird. Again, remember, this is supposed to be the maintenance building. So everything up here does seem mostly maintenance focused. But as we get down here towards the bottom, we're going to have a bunch of cool, weird things. So, honestly, we didn't even check this door earlier, but it is locked. So first, we have this maintenance area. Pretty normal, actually. There used to be a telephone on the wall there. It's no longer there. But then we have this area, and let me just show you how we found this area. So, when we walk down, this is what this area looked like. Okay, so of course we decided we had to go in. We've seen tunnels here. So we open the door, we walk in. You have this machine here. No idea what it is. There are like little things on the ceiling that you can hang stuff from. And the floor is all stained. And then we have these on the wall here. And then it just abruptly ends down there. No explanation of what this was, what this could have been. It's just extremely weird. So this was the first weird thing we encountered in this building. And we encountered this pretty much right away. So we're going to close that back up. And then go into the main maintenance area. And as you can see, I've just got an area over here. Window looking through to this office. Again, I absolutely love these desks. They are very awesome, and I wish I owned one. Now then, here's the second weird thing. So here is a button to use an elevator. Now you may notice, hey, there's no elevator around here. Well, actually, what they did was, and you can see as we walk in, we're entering, this used to be the elevator shaft. Let me turn on my flashlight real quick so you can get a better view. So this right here used to be the elevator shaft, and they transformed it into a room. And you even got this little room back here, which maybe was like elevator equipment in the past. I have no clue. And what's really weird is you can kind of feel as you walk on it that the ground underneath you is like somewhat hollow. Like there's still a few feet down for the elevator shaft. So then we have another bathroom area. Sink on the side of the wall here. This room is just known as deep sink. And I'm going to be honest, I've seen deeper sinks before. And again, more storage areas. Guessing that there was a water fountain here at one point. This is the staff toilet over here. None of these have said women's toilet at all, which is kind of weird. This could have been a men's only prison for all I know. But there's probably still female staff. I don't know. And then more storage areas. Now this room, I'll take a quick look inside, but it's really nothing. So I don't even think the light's doing a good job of illuminating it. It's basically a massive empty room with some tables in it. Now here, we have what is called the plumbing shop with Mr. Coppersmith. And what's really weird is we managed to unlock the door from the outside, but we still couldn't get in. Like the door is stuck or something. So this is what the plumbing shop used to be. And then it connects over here to this area, which again is also locked. But weirdly enough, you can come into this storage closet and get a great view in here. So, and you can see that looks like a TV, but it's a weird TV. It's like clear and it has a heart on it. So let me just stick my hand in there and try to get you guys a better view. So yeah, this is completely different than our expectations when we heard maintenance building. So that's all I really have for you guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This building was just really weird, so I had to make a video about it. If you did enjoy this, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. It really helps a lot, and I'll see you guys next time with a brand new video.